Come on. Come on. Got him that time. Yeah, there he is. All right. I think I got him there. That seems pretty good. Okay, found the first one. He's down in the bushes here. Focus in, there you go. Let's see. Through and through, right through his side. Yeah, through and through. Okay, that's one. Okay, it took me forever to climb in this here bush just to get this guy. Right there. Let's see where I got him. Well, that's where it exited. Yep, I might have got him in the butt. He came out his belly. Alright, I gotta get out of there. Yeah. Let me show you. And there's the second one. 2 for the night, 2 pretty quick. Alrighty, we're gonna leave them for the owls. Ooh, I think that was high. No, I got him. Ooh. Oh, yeah, that's him. This one was pretty easy to find. Oh, he still might be alive. Stand by. Okay, not anymore. Got him right in the back. So paralyzed. We're gonna put him. Look at that nice rock. That's 3. He's back. Let's see if I can get him. Boy, I'm gonna have to check the replay on that. This one was very simple to find. He was up against the tree. And I did get him right across the back, and that's why he was just hopping. So you can see it just ripped right through his back. So, okay. Go put him on a stick. I did say a stick, but pretty sure it's a rock. He's a little bigger. Okay, that's 4. I think I got that one. Took me 3 times, but I think I got him. I'll take you with me. If you look way down there, that white dot. Oh, focus in. That white dot actually is a reflector, and right below that is the red dot. So we'll head on up. I don't know if you can see the red dot yet. Those 2 lights are reflectors on the bridge. Well, let's see. He ran across here. I started to, that's my laser. Okay, that's the laser. Like I said, that's a shot right there. And I missed him. I couldn't find him, so I started to walk back to go get the scope. And lo and behold, he was on the bridge. And little camera shot. And he stopped right away. Through and through. And here we are at the rock. It's 3 there, 5 total. Still early, but let's keep going. Might have number 6. Yeah. Let's go see what that was. I didn't record me pulling him out of the middle of that thing. But I did get him. Again. I think I got him right there as he was sitting on the branch and went right through him. So another one to the rock. Yeah, we'll past. This is the 4th one. The owls and that. Gonna have a good dinner tonight. So that's 4 here. 2 from before. Total of 6. Keep going.